What's up guys, Alex here, and in the today video I'm going to teach you about this amazing platform called Canva. In my opinion is better than Photoshop or Illustrator just because it's much more simpler and easier for the normal user, allowing him to create amazing artwork. Canva is a free software where you can create a ton of stuff. You have available thousands of templates for your business. You can create social media posts, stories, LinkedIn or YouTube banners, thumbnails or even videos, you name it. It's a very powerful software that even in the free version gives you a lot of copyright-free elements, pictures, even sounds. In this video I will create a YouTube thumbnail for a gym training tutorial. It's just an example. As easy you can do Instagram or Facebook posts or resumes, logos, postcards, flyers, you name it. In the top right corner you have a button called Create a Design. You can find here suggested ideas or you can choose your own custom size. As well you can upload photos to edit them or import a PDF for the same reason. In the search bar we can type thumbnail and it's already showing us the results. Press on it and it will open for us a file or a Canva with the size 1280 by 720 pixels. In the middle here we have the main area where we are going to create our thumbnail. In the top left corner we have a small menu. If we press File we can see some info about our file. The name that we can edit, the size of the file, some basic option for printing, we can save our work or create a folder and save it there. On the left side panel we have all the elements that we will need in our project. We've got templates for all the different projects we create, in our case a YouTube thumbnail. If you look closely you can see a small icon in the bottom left of each element that you can add in your project. We have free elements and pro elements. For pro ones you need to have a pro account but Canva gives you thousands of free elements and pictures that you can use. You can apply filters for your elements and you can select only the free elements to work with, simple as that. Let's start from scratch by choosing a picture for our YouTube thumbnail. We go to Elements, we type in the search bar, Gym and we choose the one we like. You can move freely the picture on your Canva or change the dimensions or simply right-click on it and select Set Image as background. We've got plenty of elements or shapes to choose from here. We can add a square in our design. We can change the colors of each element we add from the top left corner of the Canva as well. We can animate it. We can change the position and transparency of the element from the top right corner as well. We will add some text, change its font and size, change its color. We add some elements that might work with our theme and voila! All done. We can download the thumbnail from the top right corner by pressing the download button. We just simply select the file type that we need and press download, simply as that. And there you have it. Hopefully you have some basic knowledge of how to create stuff using this amazing platform called Canva. If you liked the video and think that you learned something from it, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.